Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 13th of August. And today, before the Thursday morning, where the options are going to expire, I'm actually going to tell you what is going to happen today. So, if you look at yesterday, let's actually look at USA market did phenomenally well. It was hardly around 4 points actually from the all-time high for S&P. If you see, we have closed almost at the day's high. If you see, it was the all-time high is 3393, and we have done 3387, and closing was almost at the peak, and almost 1.5%, 1.4% up. Nasdaq actually has actually made all-time high. It is actually almost nearby to the all-time high, and Dow Jones is also quite good. If you actually look at them, all the major index of US actually are 1%, 2% up. And let's look at the European markets. DAX, FTSE, CAC, all of them were 1 or 2% up. If you see, European markets have actually rallied in this week more than 4%, 5% kind of thing. So the rally is actually happening in all the global markets, and this is actually going to help us. uh, if you look at it, even with all these things, where a kind of flattish opening is actually something which is seen. So if you see, this is majorly because of the option expiry, and we would start at 11,300, nearby to that, nearby to yesterday's opening price. If you see, so the range which we are looking right now for today is between 11,300 to 400. Probably if that is going to break, it can actually go to 11,500 also. So there is a uh, uh, based on the situation, how actually it will go. Generally it could go for 100 to 200 points, but sometimes actually, if anything insane can happen, anything is possible in the market. Because if you see, for the month, the highest open interest for uh, the call writing has been at 11,500, and for the week, or for this month itself, if you actually see, 11,300 was actually acting as a very strong resistance. Whenever it used to go above 11,300, there used to be a lot of writing. At least for the last 2 weeks, this is the second weekly closing, if you have to see. So in that case, 11,300 was the major hurdle. So that is actually anyway broken, and yesterday we have closed above it. So we could head towards 11,500. Will it happen today? Will it not happen today? It all the time has to say. But what I'm trying to say is, right now anyway, 11,500, 550, there's a big gap resistance, and that could actually act upon. So by any chance, right now it is looking that it is a flattish opening, so this is how actually it can work out. So the range we are looking is 11,300 to 11,500. Maybe it is 100 points first, and if actually it can hold and it can break, then actually another 100 points it is possible to make for today. That is what actually I can see at this point of time. If there is any other updates, I may actually give you in the afternoon call, which I will be actually sharing with you. And guys, if you are interested to actually do option trading at around 9:50, 9:30, during that range, I'll be actually coming live. You can actually watch me doing a live trading on the options, so you will know exactly. So I've been talking to you about the option secrets, so which course I'm starting on 15th of August. It will be in English as well as in Hindi. So if you want to actually understand, you can probably do a quick trade and also make money. Please understand, whenever you're doing a trade, you need to actually understand the risk involved. Whatever premium you pay is completely under risk. 100% risk is there for that. Without putting a stop loss, don't even actually try to attempt it. Be a part of the program. I'll actually explain you what I am personally doing, and you can follow the trade if you want to follow. But please understand, there is a risk involved, and you are responsible for all the risk you are taking. I'm actually going to tell you based on my experience and what can go. That doesn't mean that stop loss will not trigger. Stop loss can always get triggered, and there could be a loss also possible, and you should be ready for that. Only then actually you should attempt for any trade. So guys, in the description below you will be able to find my links. You can actually join. If you are not actually part of my telegram group, go and join my telegram group. It is Crazy Money with Sri. If please join this YouTube channel, go and subscribe for the YouTube channel, and hit on the bell icon, so that whenever I come online you will come and you will get the notification, and that will actually tell you what actually I'm doing. I could actually tell you about any trade or any new opportunity, or a lot of things actually are possible. So just actually go and look for that, and if you are not following me on Facebook, go and actually like my page on Facebook, and spread this to every of your friends and relatives, so that you will get maximum you will help everyone. So because I have a vision to reach out to 1 billion people, I want to teach, I want to help people to learn stock market. And I may be starting something which could really be interesting for you, for somebody who wants to really learn stock market from scratch. Something could be a free course also, which could be actually coming up very soon. So don't forget to actually spread this message, let everybody benefit with this. Thank you very much. Have a great day, guys.